we have a Sonola AA10 accordion. It has 41 keys in the treble with 120 bass buttons. There are 10 switches on the treble side along with a master palm switch. It also has a mute switch here which slightly mutes the tone of if you have that pushed to one side or the other. I'll go through the switches so you can hear them. This is the bassoon, bandoneon, organ, harmonium, accordion, musette, which is 2 middle and high, violin, which is 2 middle, oboe, which is middle and high, clarinet, and piccolo. Along with a master palm switch. On the left hand we have 5 switches. This is a professional type accordion. We have microphones installed. It's a lot of versatility with your switches here. It is dryer tuned musette. It's a very classic looking accordion, black with black bellows. This would be a good accordion if someone was looking for a full-size, full capability, professional type accordion with microphones installed. The musette is a drier sound. I'll play you something so you can hear what it sounds like.